In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix those annoying small cracks in your concrete around the house so they don't get worse and mess up your place. Fixing concrete cracks might seem a bit tricky, but honestly, it's something you can handle yourself with just a few tools and some patience. First off, you want to clean out the crack real good because dirt and loose bits will stop the patch from sticking right. Use a wire brush or something like that, or even a vacuum if you've got one handy. Then, grab some concrete crack filler or a patching compound made for these jobs. These are usually easy to find at any hardware store. When you apply it, make sure to pack it in tight, pressing down so no air bubbles get trapped inside. Smooth it out with a putty knife or a trowel so it looks neat and blends with the rest of the surface. After that, let it dry completely. This can take a few hours or sometimes overnight, depending on what product you use and the weather outside. If you want it extra durable, you could seal the area with a concrete sealer once it's dry, which helps keep water out and stops future cracking. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when repairing concrete cracks is rushing the prep work, like cleaning out the crack properly. They just slap filler on top, and it peels off quick. Another common issue is not filling the crack all the way down or leaving air pockets inside, which makes the repair weak and short-lived. And then there's skipping that sealing step after the patch dries. Without sealing, water can sneak back in and cause new cracks or freeze-thaw damage during cold months. To fix these problems, just slow down and take your time cleaning and filling the crack completely, then add a sealer for long-lasting protection. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks you up with local contractors who are trusted and vetted, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit for your concrete or other home jobs. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find new projects and grow your business without all the hassle of marketing alone.